Now, tissue scaffolding is not an entirely new concept to the biomedical engineering world. The biotechnical specification of tissue scaffolding is essentially taking a tissue or any system of cell that is bound by a matrix and rendering it down to the extracellular matrix. The applicational use that I'm following does follow these lines, however, it incorporates a new and greatly improved aspect to the field. Aloe vera, also known by its scientific name Aloe barbadensis leaf, has already medicinal and applicational purposes that is relatively household, such as the gel that it possesses to either treat burns by soothing or moisturizing the area. However, what if I tell you that I can take it quite a step further? Aloe vera is essentially my building block, and utilizing a method called decellularization, I'm using a mix that I specifically concocted after years worth of research, which is essentially a Trinax 100 and sodium dodecyl sulfate solution that I've determined to adequately cleanse and remove all cellular and nuclear material from the Aloe barbadensis tissue matrix. Now, the formula that I've paved, that I can fit into this video at least, is to slice a portion of this aloe vera tissue, typically measuring 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter and 1 millimeter thick, which as much gel slicked as possible, slicked off as possible, and bare tissue exposed. Now, I use a method called flash freezing in order to temporarily shock the cell walls and matrix walls that may be preventing the retention of the detergent solution. Now, what my process does is it leaves me with a bare tissue scaffold that I'm able to build upon using a meticulous setup. Now, this could be reproduced on a larger scale using a special medicinal solution and a simple loop of a pneumatic pump and proper scaling. Now, this tissue matrix will be rehydrated and will ultimately take in, as seen in previous testing, the medicinal solution that I choose. Now, this solution may vary between purposes, such as whether you want an exclusively herbal solution, such as like turmeric, or a exclusively tropical or topical aid, such as rehydrating the tissue using the same ingredients that make up a popular antibacterial, such as Neosporin, like bacitracin, neomycin, and polymyxin B.